Alrighty guys, we're here at the Holiday Inn here in Austin, Minnesota.
Not to be confused with Austin, Texas.
Yeah. The Schindler 330A. Wow. Interesting. Yeah, this is kind of weird. Interesting. That's why it goes up here. Let's get a weird setup here. Plus 1R to access the lobby. Let's go back up 2. Okay, good look at this camp here. It's actually pretty nice. You got a picture frame in the elevator. It's actually pretty nice. I had to see this for myself, and it's definitely pretty interesting. The elevator equipment must be in that room. See? So weird. So, someone's staying here and they have to fix this elevator. It's definitely really awkward. Here, 1. Very weird. Except they never should install. Something interesting. There was the elevator. This is actually an older property that they stole an elevator later on. But anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.